possessions, a lot of money in the bank.
Position make you rich. I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life.
Hindi mo kailangang intindihin ang sasabihin ng iba kahit ganun pa rin. At kung alam mo namang tama, sige ikaw bahala. Dapat ay isipin ng